What is up, gamers? My name's Jake Mercure, and let me tell you, it's been a heck of a year, okay? I got a lot of credit cards, I got a lot of bank account bonuses, and I gotta say, hasn't this been fun? It's been a lot of fun. So I've been inspired by Stan the Credit Frog to make this video, so I just wanted to give you a quick shout out there. And yeah, I guess I'll start off with my first credit card. Yo, first of all, can we just appreciate this stack, bro? Like, holy crap. That's a lot of freaking cards. It has some heft to it, bro. It's crazy. All right, here we go. Venture X. First credit card. I got this in December. Yes, December 2022, but I'm still going to count it because I got it on December 28th of last year, and that is when I was, hint of dabbling in and out of the credit card game. I didn't know what I was going to be doing. I didn't know that I was going to be starting a channel, that's for sure. But I figured, making a little bit of money out of college now, I figured it's time to get a little credit card upgrade because I've been traveling more, And holy crap, guys, they gave me a $30,000 limit, and I use this card all the time, man. I get that 2x back on everything. I almost canceled it about 4 or 5 times at the end of this year, and I just gotta say, I've made some mistakes. I made some epic portal redemptions for 1 cent per point, and I also made some epic Turkish Airlines redemptions for 4 cents per point. So it's been a roller coaster of an experience, but I have to say, this is the card that got me back into the game, back into the priority pass lounges that I've actually never been, but it just got me into the game more, and I'm very excited to talk about it. It's funny because the second I was hooked on that card, I started watching all the videos, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to make my own channel and talk about it. And one of the first credit cards that I saw when I was like, in the YouTube game was the good old Bilt Mastercard, bro. This card, I had to have it, okay? When I found out that I could just, get this card to pay my rent for me and I would get 1x back on everything, and it was no annual fee, I was like, yo, hold up. Who cares about Chase 524? Let's just get this card right now. And you know what? It's actually helped me earn, probably 25,000 points this year. So, holy crap. That's a lot of points. And hey, I get it. I know it doesn't have a big sign-up bonus. A lot of people talk about that. And it has the five transactions per month. I get that. But you know what? I actually think it's totally worth it, okay? Because the transfer partners are insane. I'm going to use it with Turkish Airlines. I used it with Hyatt a little bit. I accidentally transferred 10,000 miles to Hyatt. I thought I could combine them with some other stuff, from my girlfriend's account, but whatever. That's past us. I'm excited to have this card, though. It's going to be a very good card for this year and next year. The next card that I have is a good old business credit card because I actually had no idea I was going to be starting a business. I actually got this card before I had a business. Let's just say this YouTube channel is technically going to be generating revenue in the future. And yeah, I just got paid $100. Shout out to YouTube AdSense. It's been pretty exciting. So this is my sole proprietorship, guys. Let me know if I should upgrade it to an LLC. I won't take it as tax advice, but I probably should. I just haven't done that yet. I don't want to pay $300, but hey, let's just say we have the Jake Mercure, as you can see, the Jake Mercure sole proprietorship right next to the Jake Mercure name, which is exactly who I am. So this card, yes, it gets 1.5% back on everything, 90,000 Ultimate Rewards points sign-up bonus for spending $6,000 in 3 months. I couldn't spend $6,000 in 3 months if I tried, and I accidentally spent a bunch of Amazon gift cards, probably $1,200 of Amazon gift cards. Yeah, what a waste of time, what a waste of money. But I ended up using all that for my groceries because that's how I was ordering groceries back in the day. That was only 8 months ago. But yeah, I was ordering groceries on there, so I figured, if I can't hit the minimum spend requirement, I'll just put the rest on Amazon gift cards, like I said, and just kind of chew away at those gift cards throughout the whole year as I used them for Amazon Fresh deliveries. And guys, I moved, okay? I was going to be using it for my mattress and stuff anyway. All that's been liquidated, but just got to be careful about minimum spend requirements, okay? Don't stretch it too hard. I know YouTube's fun, and these big credit card bonuses are pretty epic. Just be careful, okay? That's all I got to say. I've added this to the Chase graveyard in my sock drawer. I wish I could show you, but I don't really want to. I'll show you. So as you can see, guys, this is an extra wallet I have. Yeah, those are all Chase cards, deactivated, product change, blah, blah, blah. It's actually in order of my first credit card. Look, there's the first OG Chase Sapphire Preferred right there in the middle. As you can see it, it's got that different color. Got some extra priority pass cards. I'm going to do a little what's in my wallets video going into 2024. So if you want to hit the subscribe button, stick around for that. Hey, man, you don't want to miss out. Oh, man, guess what I got next after all this? Oh, it was such a good card. I actually love this card so much that I can't find it. Give me a sec. All right, guys, this is one of the best credit cards. Here it is. Okay, Amex Gold. Yeah, everyone knows about this card. It's just that good. You know what, guys? 4x back on these groceries and dining. It's too good to beat, okay? And you know what those credits Sure, American Express is annoying. They're fine, okay? I used to be soft and I was complaining too. But hey, you know what? I'm not trying to say if you can't spend on the credits, don't worry, bro. Like there's other cards, but I can. Yes, the credits are annoying, but honestly, I can still do it. It's not a big deal. I got the 90K bonus on this card, so I figured why not see how it goes for a year. It's not that big of a deal, guys. You know, it's not a big deal to get a card for a year, see how it goes. You know, like I figured why not give it a shot, and I think I like it a little bit, so I think I'm going to keep her around for a little bit, take a look. I made a little bit of videos about should I cancel it, should I keep it, and I'm going to keep it. But what else did I do with this card? Right about this time, I figured I was ready to change my bank account over to Sofi because guess what, guys? Sofi offers $250 as a sign-up bonus at the time of when I applied. I do not know if that is a current offer at this moment. It might not be. But you can check out the link in the description if you want to see what's going on. Why not? Give it a shot and see what's up. I use this card because it gets 4.6% APY on the savings account. And honestly, guys, it's not about APY, okay? Because the APYs are going to change all the time. So what that means is, yeah, I know this is a credit card video. Just give me a sec. So the APY is going to change all the time. I know the Fed funds target rate is changing, so that's the interest rate from the Fed. That's going to kind of change how debt is and how interest rates are going to be able to be lent out from banks. And so, yeah, you can chase after interest rates if you want to keep signing up for new accounts and making new logins and remembering all that and all that. It's a lot of work, okay? But you know what? I settled for Sofi because of the good interest rate and because of Sofi Relay. Yes, guys, Mint, okay? I used to be a big fan of Intuit Mint, and it was going away. And so I figured I needed a new way to manage all my money, and guess what? Sofi Relay, okay? Comes so clutch. Dude, Sofi Relay connects to all my accounts. Dude, this sounds like an ad, but I'm telling you, I really, really like this. This is not an ad. I just actually like it that much. Okay, next card. Okay, guys, this was a really awesome deal. I got 5 free nights. Yes, you already know. Marriott Bonvoy Boundless. 5 free nights on this card. I have yet to use those nights. I'm going to use them next year. It's going to be 2024. They don't expire, I think, for a year, right? Is that right or wrong? I don't know. But, yeah. It's going to be a very good card to use. I think I'm very excited to find some good 50,000 point redemptions for those free night coupons. That's pretty much all I got the card for. It just lives in my graveyard over there too. Oh, and it does have a $20,000 limit, which is a lot more than I expected. So, hey, that's nice. I don't know, guys. For some reason, I started to get into bank accounts towards the end of the year. So, for some reason, I got a couple more. Here's like the PNC, Capital One, and Wells Fargo accounts. I got a Wells Fargo around my area. So, hey, I thought, why not? Maybe I could put some cash into it if I need to anyway, so it could be a good utility there. But yeah, next card. Okay, guys, the last card that I got in the year 2023 has been one heck of a card, okay? Because a lot of people are canceling it at the same time that I got it. And it makes me feel a little bit like a noob. But hey, I wanted that 150,000 point upgraded, elevated offer on the Amex Platinum card. And guess what I did? I freaking got it, guys. I got that 150,000 membership rewards points offer. Yes, the credits are annoying. Yes, you have to spend a lot on the annual fee, but hey, I'm able to cover a lot of that annual fee with my organic spending, and I think this card is going to be worth it just for the huge sign-up bonus and the 5x on direct flights, and I can cover a lot of the credits with my organic spending, like I said. Dude, and the lounge access. I mean, come on, man. I'm in the New York City area, so I have JFK with the Centurion Lounge, LaGuardia with the Centurion Lounge. I also visit my family in Seattle with the Centurion Lounge, and I'm very excited. I'm going in like 2 days to try it out. I'm so excited. Two days, or maybe I already did it by the time you see this video. Actually, I would have already done it. Hopefully it went well. But that's pretty much all I did this year. I canceled a couple cards, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah, I canceled a credit union credit card. I also canceled the Discover It card. No, that was last year. I don't know, guys. But anyway, if you want to see how I got the 150,000 membership rewards points offer on the Amex Platinum, you can watch this video right here. And if you want to see me unbox it, you can watch this video right here. All right, that's all I got. Hope you guys all have a good day. Take it easy. Bye.